Here I have Honor 7S, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So first of all, you have to hold down power key, and when you see this menu, you just have to hold your finger on power off, and after the window reboot to safe mode appears, you just tap OK, and after that your device will be restarted in a safe mode. And as you can see, the sign says safe mode, which is the proof that we're in the safe mode now. If you want to exit safe mode, you just have to restart your device and it will be restarted in the normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.